So the atmosphere exchanges carbon with the mixed layer of the ocean, and when it goes into the ocean, it becomes carbonic acid. So as atmospheric CO2 increases, oceanic CO2 also increases, which increases the concentration of carbonic acid, and then in turn decreases the pH of the ocean. And the decrease in pH of the ocean has a negative effect on the sea life and also on the habitat. One example of how ocean acidification negatively affects clownfish is the destruction of the habitat. Clownfish live in a coral reef, and as ocean pH decreases, the coral reef is destroyed, and clownfish, they live in anemones, and as the coral reef is destroyed, so are the anemones. This causes a loss of habitat, which in turn causes an increase in the competition for habitat, which causes an increase in the concentration of the clownfish into one area where there is anemones, and then that causes a decrease and death in their population.
Ocean acidification, as a result of the carbon cycle, also affect clownfish as they mature. Increased acidity in the ocean affects the clownfish maturation cycle. As you can see on the board, the clownfish that grow up in the environment that's more acidic are considerably larger than the clownfish that mature in the ocean that's pH is average 8.2. In addition to the increased growth rate of the clownfish, ocean acidity also affects the behavior of the clownfish. Now, the clownfish do not migrate very far, if at all, and this leads to increased competition for resources in their environment. Coupled with their larger adult size, this means that the resources become scarce. And because coral reefs, where their shelter resides, becomes destroyed by the acidic waters of the ocean, there is less shelter for the clownfish to take. Therefore, the clownfish die off. Clownfish, like all fish, do not give birth to live young. They lay eggs that hatch after roughly 7 days. Now, a healthy incubation relies on the constant temperature of the ocean. Because of warming in the Earth's atmosphere, the water also begins to warm. As the temperature of the ocean increases, we also see an increase in mortality rate of the clownfish fish eggs. This leads to a decreased population size and possible extinction of the clownfish.